Welcome back to my channel once again. Thank you all for tuning in. Today I want to talk about dark knuckles. Anybody lightening the skin, whitening the skin suffer from dark knuckles. Naturally, we have more melanin on our and on our knuckles, elbows and knees. So even without lightening, some people have just natural dark knuckles. So when you do lightening your skin, the dark knuckles becomes more obvious. So, without much ado, these are the 4 steps that I use to clear mine, and I'm sharing with you. If you follow these 4 steps accordingly, you're going to get a clear, clean knuckles and be able to flaunt your hands. Please follow these 4 steps accordingly. So, the first step, number 1, is exfoliating. Exfoliating is the first step to follow to achieve your dark knuckles free hands. So you exfoliate. I'm going to put the product and you see the product. This one. This product, I think the name is in French or something, but it's something that I used and I'm actually out. Okay, I'm actually out of it. You boil water, say about 1 liter of water, enough that you can soak your feet in or your hands depending on where you have the dark knuckles. The water, you bring it to a boil and let it cool, at least lukewarm, not cold, not hot, but lukewarm enough for you to put your feet and hands in it. Then you take 2 covers of this product, 2 covers, I repeat, and put inside this lukewarm water. Soak your feet or your hands for 15 minutes, not less. 15 minutes, depending on how stubborn your knuckles is, you can soak for 20 minutes. When you finish soaking, you bring it out. You might notice some peeling on the knuckles. That's a very good thing. When you notice the knuckles, please do not, the peeling, do not scrub it. You can use a soft cloth to rub it off. Rub it just slightly, as if you're scrubbing, but not with pressure. Scrub it off. Scrub it off. Let it go off. Gradually, gently. So once you get that off, you rinse your hand with ordinary water. Cold ordinary water. Rinse your whole hand. Please, I repeat, do not scrub the knuckles. The exfoliation has already happened. With this product, the exfoliation has taken place. So after you finish rinsing your hands with cold water, now the second step is this. And by the way, please, if you want to do the soaking, I strongly recommend you do it at night. And the soaking has to be once a week. Once a week until you achieve your desired result. Please, not more than once a week. Once a week, you soak only at night. Step 2, the knuckles treatment. This dark knuckles delete is a treatment you can apply after you soak, or this shallow knuckle oil remover. You can apply either of this product or this concentrate. This is the one I used. Even this one itself, this particular Laver concentrated this thing, it even exfoliates and peels. So you apply it on the part where you have the trouble dark knuckle. After that is step 3. You apply it. After you apply it, you apply moisturizer. These products I'm showing are moisturizers, hand cream, just a good moisturizer, a good hand cream. You apply. That means after step 2, you let it sit at least for like 10 minutes before you apply the moisturizer. That's step 3. Now step 4, you must apply sunscreen. Please, if you don't apply sunscreen, your knuckle is going to get darkened again, redarkened, and it's going to be worse than before. Trust me. Always endeavor to apply sunscreen when you're going out in the daytime. Apply it on your hands, apply it on your feet, especially if you're exposing your feet. But your hands, you cannot wear gloves now. So apply sunscreen, at least a minimum of 50 SPF. It should not be less than 50. From 50 and above, That's the sunblock that you apply. Now, after those 4 steps, this is the ones you do in the daytime. You don't do the peeling, you don't put the knuckles treatment. Step 1 and 2, you don't do that in the daytime. You do only moisturizing and sunscreen. Then the step 1 and step 2, you do the soaking once a week. Exfoliate only at night once a week. And you stop after you get your desired result. Please and please do not do the exfoliating more than once a week. Do it only at night. Step 2, which is the knuckles treatment, you apply it immediately after the exfoliating, and that treatment only at night as well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps, and trust me, you will get a very, very good and lasting result. This picture you're seeing here is my hands. This is what my before and after looks like. Please kindly follow these steps and you thank me later. Thank you all for watching. Please like my videos, subscribe and share. God bless you.